Are you planning a trip to Brazil and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Brazil in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Those links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Brazil is Airalo. It's a great choice if you want cheap and flexible data plans. For Brazil, you can get 1 GB for $5 valid for 7 days, which is perfect for quick tasks like maps and messages. There's also 2 GB for $9.50 valid for 15 days and 3 GB for $12.50 valid for 30 days. For those who need more data, you can go for 5 GB for $18, 10 GB for $28 or 20 GB for $42. All of these options last for 30 days, so you can pick what works best for you. The app is super easy to use. When you buy a plan, you get a QR code instantly. Just scan it and you're ready to go. If you run out of data, you can even add more directly in the app. Plus, if you use the link I shared, you'll get a 10% discount. Now, if you've already tried Airalo and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I recommend Maya Mobile. I've tried it myself and they are great. If speed and simplicity matter most, Maya's plans offer great value. You've got 10-day options like 3 GB for $10.79, 5 GB for $16.19, and 10 GB for $26.99. For power users, there's 20 GB for $42.29 and even unlimited data for $34.19 on that same 10-day period. Everything is 5G enabled and activates instantly. Maya has solid coverage and a clean website. Just pick your destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no app involved. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it'll take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Brazil into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Just choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for light usage or longer stays, Airalo takes the top spot. The plans are flexible, the prices are lower when you consider the full 30-day validity, and the app is user-friendly. But if you're going for short-term high-speed use and like the idea of an unlimited option under $40, Maya Mobile is a great choice. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Brazil in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.